Hello everyone, myself Pratik Enche from team The Segregators and studying in ASMS College of Engineering.
Hello everyone, my name is Vidana Golap. I am from the team Segregators and I study in AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune.
Hi everyone, my name is Tejas Sloat. My team is the Segregators and I study in AISSMS College of Engineering.
Hello, this is Divya Dhamar from AISSMS College of Engineering from the team The Segregators. A very good morning to the jury members on the panel and everyone present. We are working on one of the domain provided, that is empower the waste handlers. Okay, so the main motive behind the empowerment of the waste handler is the predominant waste pickers who not only collect the garbage but often sifts through heaps of rubbish on this. The open dumping of the mixed household solid waste leads to the several health risks and loss of dignity, all because of unpleasant working conditions. And the causes are improper design and use of municipal garbage container, which often leads to the heaps of rubbish. Also, the lack of proper equipment for the door-to-door garbage collection. As the picture says it all, waste handlers still have to separate heaps and fill it up by using blanket, which introduce them to the harmful elements. We have conducted a survey which highlights the use of large container is suspended because the dumping mix and hazardous waste having foul smell, dirty look due to the openness of the container, and the reason behind worker using safety kit is gloves and boots are made up of rubber, cause heating and sweating, which made their work tougher, reduce working speed and efficiency. And the final observation is open dumping, unsuitable equipment, lack of awareness, and most importantly, need of proper equipment.
Why the modern solutions are not the answer? Because the gripper system is very innovative as it lifts the container from the bottom and it reduces the stresses while picking up. But in Pune, this system is not much feasible because it will change the current and working system and pickup design also. It is very costly and difficult to maintain, and as it requires a lot of space, so it will not cover the slum and pet areas. Coming to the IoT system, which detects the type and amount of the waste. So IoT requires a lot of technology, higher initial investment, and additionally we have to train our workers for that. And also it requires a higher maintenance cost. So above solution do not fulfill the requirements for our proposed solution.
Now, coming towards the workflow of a solution, we have designed two equipments for garbage collection. First one is a large container which would be used for outdoors waste collection only. And second one are the trolley-based containers which will help out waste handlers for doorstep garbage collection. Major part of the process is also to reward the waste generators who give segregated waste at doorstep collection, which are household people in this case, with items like books, stationery, hand wash, vinyl, etc., and giving extra payment to the doorstep collectors doing this additional work. The finance required for this purpose gets generated by selling dry segregated waste to waste buying companies and startups, and also selling biogas generated by decentralized biomethanation plants in Pune. Most importantly, the waste handlers can gainfully be employed to run these plants, and along with partnership of public and PMC, reopening and rerunning such plants will increase their stature and livelihoods. Hence, we have designed the trolley-based containers which easily fits into the gullies because they're slender design. We have added a holding support at the bottom and a hook lock for easy decluttering process.
Our second proposed solution is redesigning outdoor containers. Here we can see some of the features of the container, that is side locking mechanism for easy decluttering, plastic flaps and coupling. By comparison, our containers are closed, that prevents disease spread and foul smell. It is resistant to harsh condition and it has separate compartments for wet and dry waste. Here we can see image representation of both the containers. Now let's see the impact and feasibility of our proposed solution. So financially talking, the generated revenue will be used to reward waste generators and it will also be used to give extra payment for the waste collectors. Technological wise, I will just say our systems are easy to manufacture and can be implemented and maintained. Talking about scalability, the door-to-door waste collection is easily executable in pet and slum areas, and the large containers can be used in large public places. Now, speaking about an important factor, sustainability. Due to reduced transportation and availability of decentralized processing plants, it leads to reduction in carbon footprints. Our solution will also affect people psychologically. That is, people will inculcate waste segregation habits, and eventually respect to waste handlers will be developed. So that's it. Thank you for listening.